Hey guys, welcome to Stories of SP. So this is a new weekly vlog. So welcome to the weekly vlog. So this week to check some hair accessories collection. So let's go. So firstly, this store is consist of amazing hair accessories collection with amazing quality. The scrunchies, everything. I love the quality of hair accessories and hair bands here. The flower hair braids are my favorite. I picked a few pieces from this collection as well. So can you guess what pieces I picked from this collection in the comment section below? See how beautiful the hair accessories are here. They are super aesthetic hair accessories. These are perfect for winter wear. You can accessorize it with every outfit, every hoodie in this winter. So yeah, they have perfect winter collection. See how the headband is. The headband is a holographic headband, and these are basic claw clips for everyday use. If you want winter hairstyles videos, please let me know in the comment section below. So these are the very few scrunchies with a flower design. The quality of the scrunchies are really good here. This is not a sponsor video of any store, guys. I am just a regular customer, consumer, and going to the offline shopping. Mainly I did window shopping here because I don't really need all this hair accessory stuff. The quality of the claw clips is amazing too. They have kids hair accessories collection too. Like here, these are the mini clips with hair strands. These are for kids. And the mini metal claw clips. I personally love metal claw clips, and the plastic ones are my daily wear use. The crystal claw clips. These 6-pack of hair braids are my favorite. Earlier I showed the single pack, so these are 6, and this is the Christmas hair accessories collection for kids. And since it's winter, I really needed a new lip balm, so the drugstore lip balms are my go-to. These are amazing. The moisturizing was really good, so I picked my new Nivea lip balm, the lip and cheek tint. If you want review, please comment down below. I will share it soon. The Vaseline Cocoa Butter is one of my favorites. And I saw some drugstore makeup as well. And again I came to the hair accessories. These are little cheaper everyday version of them. And these are some handbags, accessories. And this is the another day I went to another shopping and I filmed a few clips there. So these are the clothing section of women's clothing. And please feel free to give any video ideas regarding fashion, hairstyles and vlogs in the comment section below, guys. My genre is about vlogs and hairstyles, so please feel free to give any video ideas if you want to see me doing. Yes, guys. So this store contains a large variety of women's ethnic wear, everyday wear, and winter wear. So yeah, I'm just browsing everywhere. As you guys saw, I went to Zudio and they have amazing Pinterest hair accessories, earrings, anything. And as you can see in the video, this store also contains Pinteresty jewelry, Pinteresty everyday jewelry. So I'm just checking out few pieces from them. They have ear cuffs, finger rings, bracelets, anklets, and everything. These are so cute, so Pinteresty. The heart ones are my favorite, and the ear cuff set is one of my favorites as well. They have silver collection, gold collection, everything. Cute Pinteresty collection. So if you want, you can check this store out. The ear cuffs and the bow earrings are one of my favorites as well. See the bow ones. The bow necklace is very nice, but it's a little bit heavier. So yeah. And there are a few Pinteresty neck pieces, statement neck pieces as well, as you can see in the video. These these jewelry collections are best for western wear and ethnic wear as well. And they also have few collection of watches, and they also have cosmetics in this section. Nail polishes, lipsticks, lip balm. They have a huge variety of lip products and nail polishes as well. Personally, I bought a few Zudio lip balms and lipsticks as well, and you can see in my empties videos, I just love the quality of the Zudio lip balm. I love the Zudio cosmetics, lip products especially. The quality, everything is top notch. I've emptied a few Zudio lip balms. You can check my reviews, my empties videos as well for your reference. The lip liners are also top notch. The consistency is very nice. The lip balm, the consistency is very nice. They are not drying as well. For winters, this store is also launches hand creams for winter. Also has hair accessories. So these are super hair accessories collection. They have a cute leaf gold headband. So I got the headband. So I will accessorize it in my future hairstyle video. They have cute hair accessories. The quality of these hair accessories is also top notch with very low quality. The bow hair clip is very nice. The black one, the brown one is very good. And the metal hair clips, the bow metal hair clips is so nice. It's very Pinteresty. The hair accessories are also Pinteresty. Now Pinteresty aesthetic hair accessories are in style, right? These are very nice for ethnic wear and western wear as well. They have mini hair clips, cute hair clips, hair accessories, hair ties, coil hair pins, etc. And they also contain huge variety on shoes, slippers, footwear, etc. for ethnic and western also. Bags, coin purses for winter with the fur. So you can check it out. These are perfect for wear. And this is another store, another day. They have sling bags, backpacks, and a lot of cute handbags. They also have a huge variety on handmade, like kalankari type handbags. So yeah, tote bags, everything. These are perfect for office wear as well. So hope you like this video, guys. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and please comment down below which part of the video you like the most, and feel free to give suggestions on my next videos. Hope you like this video, guys. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, and bye guys, see you in my next video.